Hello everyone, well, Christmas is already fast approaching, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami Christmas tree. See? And this is what it looks like. And what's really cool about it is that you can decorate it like I did here. Or you don't need to decorate it at all. It looks nice like this too. And yeah, and this will make a really nice gift for Christmas. And I'm going to teach you all how to fold it right now. Alright, let's get started. So, these two models I used a sheet of common paper that's 7 by 7 inches, and that's what I'm going to use. So this is green and white. So I'm going to make a green tree on a white background. So begin with the tree side up, and we're going to fold in half diagonally. Try to make your fold as precise as possible, and crease sharply. Okay, unfold and rotate it so the crease is vertical. And we're going to take these two sides and fold them to the middle. It's easiest to rotate it like this, for me. My voice kind of sounds a little bit raspy because I just woke up. That's why. Okay. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate like this. And we're going to fold this up. How much? Well, I don't have an exact reference for this. You're kind of on your own. So, I'm folding it up so this is equal to this. So it's about like that. We're making the tree. So the distance from this edge to here, this is half of the tree. So yeah, just about like this is good. And same on this side. And just try and match what you did over here. And do make sure the fold for this one, make sure it meets that point right there. That point. There we go, just about like that. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up. It's not really that important, we're just shortening this, so because we're going to tuck this inside, so we're just shortening it. So, you know, just about like that is good. And repeat on this side. Alright, and now unfold these flaps and tuck them inside on the existing crease. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the trunk of the tree. So we're going to take this edge and fold it in how much? Well, you want to leave some space here, so yeah, about like this. So the distance from the edge to the crease, that's half the thickness of the trunk. So if you want a really narrow trunk, you fold it in more. But if you want a really fat trunk, you fold it up less. But just average, about like this. And same here too. And try and match what you did here. Alright. And there it is. Okay, now we're going to make a mountain fold that runs right through these 2 points here. There you go. So it's just best to kind of start it from this side. So we're folding on these 2 points. Like that, and let's turn it over and let's make the fold on the side. And it can be a little bit tricky because the layers are thick on the sides here, but just do your best and make sure that this corner aligns with this crease and give that a nice strong crease. Okay, unfold that and turn back over, and now we're going to do kind of a tricky step. So what we're going to do is we're going to make these into swivels. So we're going to make a couple swivel folds. So let's start here. So make this crease mountain fold like this. And we're just going to just swivel it. And just swivel, fold it to your satisfaction. We're just swiveling it so that this edge is straight, like the creases. Okay. There. And just swivel it however it does naturally. There you go, about like that. Don't worry about that little edge right there. I don't know how to make that into a point. It looks fine like that. Okay, and repeat on the side. So as you can see on the finished model, it's got that little tiny edge right there. I don't know if you can see that. So it's not completely a point on the bottom 2 points, but it's okay. It still looks really nice. Okay, anyways, make this into a swivel fold to make the crease, and just swivel it like this. These may not be completely symmetrical, but that's okay. This is just the white background of the tree, that's all. And I don't really care about that. Okay, turn over. And now, we're gonna make the trunk of the tree. So fold this up, and you have to look at it from this side. So if you want a tall trunk, fold it up less. But a narrow trunk, fold it up more. But I'm just gonna make it about like that. So a decent sized trunk. Okay. Alright. And now, we're gonna fold this top part in as well. And I don't have an exact reference for this, but just fold it up about like this. Make sure this corner aligns with the center crease. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Alright. Oh, and by the way, I want to show you. On this model here, I kind of shortened this flap by folding this in like this and then folding over like this. But I don't really like that. I was trying to do like a lock using that step, but that's not necessary. So I think it's just best to just keep it like this. Okay, there. And now let's just go ahead and start rounding the tree. So just fold these points in to taste. This one I'm folding right on the middle point. And I'm just folding it to taste. Oh, by the way, next week, in my next video on Christmas Day, I'm going to teach a very similar model to this, but it's an ornament. And I'll put it right here once it's available. So you can hang it on your Christmas tree. So it's really the same as this, except I made this flap into a hook to make it into an ornament. But yeah, I'll teach that model in a separate video. I'm not going to do it right now. I want to save that for Christmas Day. Okay. And once you did that, your origami Christmas tree is all done. And if you want, you can decorate it like I did with this model. And I might as well do that. Why not? Okay, and let's see. I'm just gonna do it on top of this so I don't accidentally color my desk. Well, even though this is a red background and this is red, but still. I don't want to get my desk with marker ink on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw a candy cane right here. I'm just gonna copy what I did with this model, and I'll write Merry Christmas. There you go, that looks good. And I'll draw a candy cane here. I'm not an artist, by the way, I don't draw, but I'm doing my best. But it's looking good so far. There, 2 candy canes there, well 3 here, and a candy cane here on the bottom, and one there. There you go, that looks good. Alright, I'll just blow on it, just to make sure the ink dries. Okay, and once you did that, your origami Christmas tree is all done. And it's nice and decorated. And I like it, I think it's cool. And it can also be a spinner. Yeah, it spins a little bit. And a flicker. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for this video. Well, hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoy making this origami Christmas tree. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, happy holidays. I will see you on Christmas Day with a very similar model.